Good morning, everybody. This is Ediblecat here. Today we are going to be making some Betty Crocker double chocolate chip cookies. First thing we want to do is gather our ingredients together. I've got my half a cup of infused butter, 1 egg, spatula. I will need 2 tablespoons of water and a medium mixing bowl. Let's get started. Okay, step 1. Read the directions. Heat oven to 12 large cookies, 350 degrees for aluminum pan. Okay. So we are going to bake our cookies at 350 start. We are then going to combine our dry ingredients, our 2 tablespoons of water, 1 egg, and softened butter into a medium bowl. I do not have an assistant, so give me 1 second while I do that process. Correction, it was 1 stick of butter, 1 egg, and 1 tablespoon of water, not 2 tablespoons. Halfway through mixing, your ingredients should start to look something like this. I also grabbed a cooling rack, which is not necessary, but does help for when your cookies are cooling. So this is what your batch of cookie dough should look like. I grabbed a large tablespoon and a cookie sheet. I'm going to make the smaller batch, which is 9 large cookies. So I'm going to scoop them out onto the tray. So here I have my 9 portions of cookies on my cookie tray. I will now put these into my oven that is preheated to 350. I put mine right on this shelf, and we're gonna let them bake for 15 minutes. So here are my cookies after 16 minutes in the oven because it took me a couple seconds to get there. I did put them on the cooling rack because airflow, and I did already separate where they bled together with the spatula. But there they are. Now I'm going to let them cool for about a half an hour and enjoy. So there you have it. Ediblecat's quick and easy guide to infused cookies with the Levo 2. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.